Cool.
Yeah. So, what are we gonna start?
Hey, it's me, Senor Escona, or as the Americans say, Matt Escana.
Ba-ba-bum.
You might remember me from such films as The Oldest Story Escona. Now, you might remember me from such films as Artistic Dungeon, or The Oldest Story Ever Told, or our recent film, The Kid in Warlord. You don't look so upset. I'm not here to act today. I'm here to share some simple facts about some of our great national. Really slacked on my health. The Mississippi River starts over 2,300 miles away in Lake Itasca Point, which is nearly a mile away from here. It is we are in one of the deepest points in Algiers, New Orleans. It is roughly around 200 feet deep. The soil, which is right by the river, is some of the most richest agricultural soil the world has ever known. But this is a double-edged sword. What soil? The agriculture creates a large amount of industrial runoff and poisons the water. It creates a dead zone in the Gulf. The water flows out, and a few weeks out of the year, the water is so oxygen depleted from nitrates that nothing can live. Boy, I can barely breathe though, even still, how hot and muggy it is out here today. You ready, Iron Kid?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Vamos!
Scoreboard! I'm out here! Matt!
Yeah!
What is another fact about Louisiana?
You want to know another fact about Louisiana?
Yeah!
It rains. It rains a lot. All the time in the summer.
Yep. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Iron Kid here.
We are trying to do an educational video here. You need to stay focused. Timber, I tell you. Hey, fun. Here we are, a little over 100 miles north of New Orleans, in the great timber area of Louisiana. This is where fast-growing pines mainly grow for production.
All around.
Trees can support a family of 4. 1 acre can produce enough oxygen for 18 people to live.
Da, da, da.
Breathe up.
Heart attack, guys. Guys. He's having a heart attack.
That's just the vitamins kicking in, boys and girls.
Totally. Da, da, da.
Breathe up. It's free. This gives you a moment to let us thank our sponsors. Our sponsors here today is cigarettes.
No, it's Nerf. It's Nerf.
Cigarette. Healthy and nutritious and good for you. Cigarette.
No,
Products of
don't
America
do it.
have given
Don't
us permission
listen to
to use their products
Do
to
not
add
listen
in
to
this
him.
video.
Do
We
not-
are not FAC regulated to use Nerf.